In the previous session, we discussed the introduction to Active Directories in the Windows Server. Today's session, we are looking at what makes the Active Directory services. Here, you can see some common things are logical in nature, such as domains, domain trees and forests, and something physical in nature, such as domain controllers and sites. It also includes domain naming systems, replication and operation managers. Domains. Domain is a core unit logical structure in Active Directory. Domains represent a logical partition within an Active Directory for both security and directory duplication. Here, each domain stores information about one particular object it contains. So basically, a domain can hold up to 10 million objects, but 1 million objects per domain is the supported limit. The domain functions in several capacities. As you can see, they serve as boundaries of authentication, replication, namespace and security policies. Domains are also manifested as domain controllers. Since all users in domain must log on to the domain controllers for that particular domain, the domain also is a boundary of authentication which is responsible for authenticating users and groups. It is a boundary of security policies. Here, certain security policies are applied in the domain level, including password length and account logout. Security policies in one domain cannot be extended to other domains or cannot be defined to the other domain. Boundary of replication. All objects in the domain are fully replicated to all the domain controllers of that domain. Unique namespace. An Active Directory domain is identified by its unique DNS name. Boundary of administration. The administration privileges that are granted in one domain cannot be extended to any other domain. Trees. The next logical concepts which we will discuss is one ways to group domains of different structures. Trees is a hierarchical grouping of domain that forms a continuous namespace. In a tree, transitive trust relations link domains such as they can be administered by a single logical unit. So every time a new domain is started, a transitive trust is formed. If suppose domain A trusts domain B, then the domain A trusts all the domains that domain B trusts. All domains in the tree share the following. Schema. It is a formal definition for all Active Directory objects, including the classes and attributes. Schema also defines things such as whether the attributes are required for a particular object class and relationship between the object class. The schema is stored within the Active Directory and is extensible. It means that the new object class and can also be added. Configuration. A single configuration container exists and applies to all domains in the Active Directory. Here, the container includes information about the entire Active Directory, including physical state of the domain, what services available, what domain controllers are running are also included in the configuration.